Onshape versus Shapr3D. Which CAD software is better? Choosing the right CAD software can completely change how you design and prototype without wasting time on complicated tools. Onshape offers cloud-based collaboration while Shapr3D excels in mobile-friendly modeling. Onshape and Shapr3D are both powerful CAD tools but serve different needs. Onshape is a full cloud-based platform designed for real-time collaboration, while Shapr3D focuses on intuitive, touch-based 3D modeling primarily on iPad and desktop. The core difference lies in collaboration versus mobility. Onshape is a cloud-native CAD platform that lets teams design together in real time from any device with a browser. It works by storing all data securely in the cloud, eliminating the need for local installs or file transfers. Users can access the latest version instantly, enabling seamless collaboration and version control. Its strengths include multi-user editing, integrated data management, and compatibility with various CAD formats. Onshape supports complex assemblies and parametric modeling, making it ideal for engineering teams working remotely or across departments. However, it requires a reliable internet connection and might have a learning curve for users new to Cloud CAD. Onshape is best suited for professional product developers, manufacturing teams, and companies needing robust collaboration tools without hardware limitations. Shapr3D is a user-friendly CAD modeling app designed around touch and pen input, primarily for iPad but also available on Mac and Windows. It works by combining direct modeling with a simple interface, allowing users to sketch, modify, and create 3D designs quickly. Its strengths lie in its intuitive workflow, portability, and the ability to work offline. Shapr3D supports parametric modeling and exports to common CAD formats, making it flexible for various workflows. It is perfect for designers, architects, and engineers who want to create detailed models on the go or prefer a tactile approach. However, it lacks advanced collaboration features found in cloud platforms and may not handle very complex assemblies as efficiently. Shapr3D is ideal for freelancers, startups, and professionals who prioritize mobility and ease of use over extensive multi-user collaboration. Onshape excels in collaborative environments where multiple users need to work on the same project simultaneously, making it a top choice for distributed engineering teams and large-scale product development. Its cloud infrastructure ensures everyone accesses the latest design version without file conflicts. In contrast, Shapr3D shines for individual users or small teams who value mobility and a natural touch-based interface. It's perfect for quick concept sketches, on-site modifications, or working without internet access. The trade-off is between Onshape's powerful collaboration and data management capabilities versus Shapr3D's ease of use and offline flexibility. Onshape may require more setup and internet reliability, while Shapr3D offers immediate access and simplicity, but with limited collaborative tools. Choose Onshape if your work demands real-time collaboration, cloud access, and managing complex projects with multiple contributors across locations. Opt for Shapr3D if you need a portable, intuitive CAD tool for individual design work or quick iterations on the go. Both tools excel in their niches, so match your workflow needs to get the most from your CAD software.